Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com, and today I'm going to talk about what to do when you got a place to put compost, but it's full. Flies are kind of bad now, so I'm going to make this video short. So this is the place when I have my kids out in the garden, I say, weed that bed. And they say, where do I stick the weeds? I tell them, stick it in here. So this is where they stick the weeds, but they're full. What do we do now, right? Because this is where we want to put our kitchen scraps and stuff. Well, I'll show you a great trick for using that stuff, because this compost is not broken down. This isn't ready. It's going to take months, right? Probably the entire gardening season for these to be ready. So let me show you what I do. The solution is simple. You bury your problem, right? These are weeds that have been dug up, but most weeds, if you bury them deep enough, I mean, some weeds will come back, but most of them, they can't deal with that. If it's a chunk of sod, you bury it upside down. Most weeds, if you bury them under, I don't know, 3-4 inches of soil, they will not come back. So you just dig a trench and you stick them in. I got a bit of waste here as well, some cardboard and stuff. I'm going to throw that in there. But yeah, let me just show you the process. You dig as many trenches as you, I've done videos on trench composting before, and that is all I'm doing here. And I'm just taking uncomposted compost because I'm all out of room in my compost. But I could build a bigger compost station, yes, but I don't want it. And it only took about 1 minute to dig this trench, as it's about a foot deep. So I stick stuff in there, I stump it, sort of trap it down, then put the soil back, and that's it. Let me show you. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I've taken one entire compost station and emptied it. I don't recommend this if you're planting root vegetables like potatoes or carrots or stuff like that, but this is going to be a squash bed. So, you know, anything that's growing from the surface up, squash, beans, tomatoes, whatever, right? The roots will be fine. They're going to love all that stuff breaking down. Makes you go like greenery and roots in with clumps of soil. That's basically what is stuck in the ground, and that's all relatively high in nitrogen. Also, all those weeds, when you're pulling root clumps, worms tend to be in that, right? So it's almost like I've fertilized that trench. So the flies are insane right now, so I got to wrap this up. But that's all you got to do, right? Just dig a trench, throw your compost in there, and now you got space to put the new stuff. So anyway, I gotta run. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden. Thanks for watching.